can see humanity living in a harmony. I can see brothers and sisters sharing love together now. I can see new heaven and new earth. Oh my God. Yes, I can see brothers and sisters, them are sharing love together now. Oh God. And there will be no more sorrow,
no more sorrow,
no more weeping,
no more weeping,
no more crying,
no more crying,
no more war. There will be no more sorrow,
no more sorrow,
no more weeping,
no more weeping,
no more crying,
no more crying,
no more pain. Say, Holy Spirit,
Holy Spirit,
Jah, come take over the world.
take over the world now.
We want you right now, we want you right now, cause we are crying.
I am crying.
Why, yeah.
Come take all over me now.
Take all over. Yes, I saw 7 angels filled with the wrath of God. Them are coming to destroy the world. Jah, you say those who sow in tears, them I shall surely reap with joy.
On that day,
Hey, so there will be no more sorrow,
no more sorrow,
no more weeping,
no more weeping,
no more crying,
no more crying.
no more war. Holy Spirit,
Holy Spirit,
come take over the world.
take over the world.
We want you, we want you, we want you. See, we are crying.
I am crying. Come take all over me
Hey,
now.
come take all over me. Take all over.